How can I pipe console output directly to Notepad? I'm running an application on the command prompt or a Git shell, and I would like to get the output into Notepad for easier review and editing later on. I tried the following, but I always get an empty instance of Notepad. I'm aware that I can redirect the output to another file and then open the file in Notepad. I'd like to avoid the extra step, because I'm just used to piping into VM or less on non-Windows systems.
From what I can tell, there is no way to directly pipe into Notepad. However, you can pipe into clip and then paste in Notepad, like so. Then just press Ctrl+V in Notepad.
Consider using Vim, or in your case Vim if you prefer a graphical environment. You can then pipe into it with a single hyphen as an argument, which instructs Vim/boom to read from standard input.
Here's a short Windows program that does it properly, without clobbering the clipboard. It should be adaptable to PowerShell, and I might update this answer if I get the time, but you can also just use that program directly. Well, how about PowerShell? No need to install another application. Unfortunately, you will need to create a script file somewhere in your path. Short version you can use. If you create a batch file, for example, showing notepad.bat, with the following contents and place it in your path somewhere. You can then just call echo blah showing notepad from anywhere. Note that this does assume that you're using a recentish version of Windows, Vista Plus, and have not disabled PowerShell or uninstalled the .NET framework. In other words, a default Windows installation will work. Lengthy explanation and alternatives. The easiest way I can think of is to automate the paste, Ctrl+V, action, which at least one other answer is already doing, but that one uses awk. You might have better luck getting PowerShell to work in a locked-down corporate environment. Let's get on with the script, yay? It's pretty straightforward, so I won't bother explaining the script more than the comments already do. Usage. To use it, you just need to place the script in a.ps1 file, for example, showing notepad.ps1. Place it somewhere in your path and then call PowerShell showing notepad.ps1 after placing the text you want to display in the clipboard. Example. Unfortunately, executing PowerShell scripts can sometimes be difficult, execution policies and all. Therefore, I've condensed this script to a one-liner you can call directly from the command prompt, or even place into a batch file. If you create a batch file, for example, showing notepad.bat, with the following contents and place it in your path somewhere. You can then just call echo blah showing notepad from anywhere.
How about using auto hotkey? Save the following as stin.uck and put it in your auto hotkey directory. Then the command line pipes the output of the command into Notepad, so long as the window is open and titled, Untitled, Notepad. In the event that the window is not active, then it will cheerfully buffer in the background until the window is active. You can even go away to another program and it will carry on buffering once more. This seems to die when the program outputting to our standard input dies though. For information, the STIN code was shamelessly half-inched from here.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.